Types of connective tissues. Madhuri, do you know how many types of connective tissues are there?
Yes, in animals, there are mainly 5 types of connective tissues. Areolar connective tissue, dense regular connective tissue, adipose connective tissue, skeletal connective tissue, fluid connective tissue. Areolar connective tissue is a loose and cellular connective tissue. Matrix of areolar connective tissue contains white and yellow collagen fibers. Dense regular connective tissue has orderly and densely packed fibers and cells. Dense regular connective tissue is a main component of tendons and ligaments. Adipose connective tissue is basically an aggregation of fat cells, also known as adipocytes. These fat cells are oval or round, filled with a large droplet of fat. Skeletal connective tissue contains cartilage and bone, which form the endoskeleton of vertebrate body. Fluid connective tissue links the different parts of body and maintains a continuity in the body. It includes blood and lymph.